This is bicable view obtained through subcostal window, and this case has got sinus, venosus, ASD of SVC type. So SVC type, this is SVC draining into right atrium, this is IVC draining into right atrium. Obviously this is right ventricle, this is left atrium. This is left atrium and right atrium has got connection through SVC. That is why it is called sinus, venosus, ASD of SVC type. This is right pulmonary artery. So you can see this is bicable view. In bicable view you can easily find sinus, venosus, ASD. That is the important point to learn from this image. Again you can see this is the ASD. This is again nomenclature by this is left atrium, this is right atrium, and this is ASD. You can see this ASD. So ultimately this kind of ASD should not be missed. Whenever you find right atrium, right ventricle severely dilated, you can easily find out ASD in bicable view. And this is the modified, obviously fourth chamber view with modification. You want to focus on the uppermost part of interatrial septum where the SVC drains into right atrium. You will find this kind of ASD. So this is the ASD you see. The sinus, venosus, ASD of SVC type. You can see this flow. Flow is red in color, that means flow from left atrium into right atrium. This is red flow. You can see the flow is from left atrium into right atrium. At the same time, right atrium also gets the blood from SVC. In fourth chamber you can get this is right upper pulmonary vein is draining into SVC, almost draining into right atrium. So you can see this right upper pulmonary vein draining into right atrium instead of left atrium. So that will give you hint of the presence of sinus, venosus, ASD. This fourth chamber view. You see the right atrium and right ventricle. So in this image, right ventricle dilated compared to left ventricle. This is again the ASD. You can see the flow across the ASD. Flow across the ASD. So one thing important is right upper pulmonary vein draining into right atrium instead of left atrium. You can see in this image.